Can we keep always?
Still out! Tie! Tie!
Bill, drop! Bill!
Move it! Clems! Die!
Archie!
Yeah, good
on! Got to be connected. Five! Shot away!
As it goes around us and we ping to the sides. Hard! Hold it! Good! Unlucky, righty! Unlucky! Back him up! Narrow up, Deals! Narrow up! Drop in, Holy! Good! Go higher, Willow! It doesn't need to be impressible! Move again! Well done! There you go! Dylan pitching it off the same leg as you can see! AJ! Right up on the wall! Get across here! Come across! Tom! That's 5 good boys.
Once again, a huge thank you to our matchday sponsor, Maximum Sponsor, AWR Group.
Yes, Riz. Yes, Riz. Area 10.
Go on, run it, DJ, run it! Run it! Wait! Come on!
Next one! No fouls! No fouls! Mitch inside, Mitch inside.
Go, Paul, great! Yeah! Yeah! Yes, That was good, though.
Someone tell him to turn!
Don't leave it for him, Tom!
Well, hopefully, you know, it's really important off the back of last week to back that result up with a win and keep that momentum, because it's, you know, the club in previous seasons and the back end of last season they've had a tough run, and winning is a habit, and if we can continue to build on our performances and improve, and, you know, even kind of find those ways of reducing those mistakes again and kicking on, you know, we're going to turn up next week with a real positivity off the back of 2 cup wins and some very good performances, creating a lot of chances. Like I said in the programme notes today, like, we've got the wind in our sails, and it's important that we maintain that momentum. We'll work hard as a group of staff this week to get a little bit more of an idea of how Worthing will approach the game, and we'll give the players a little bit of information to try and execute a game plan again and give ourselves the very best chance of making it into the first round.